Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you brush or floss, some areas of your mouth just don't feel fully clean? Well, if that's you, stick around because we're taking a closer look at two popular water flossers that promise a deeper clean and healthier gums. The Waterpik Classic Professional WP72 and the Aquarius Professional Water Flosser. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest beauty and oral care reviews. So first up, the Waterpik Classic Professional WP72. This is a countertop oral irrigator designed to remove up to 99.9% of plaque in treated areas, and it's actually clinically proven to be up to 50% more effective than traditional floss for improving gum health. If you have braces, implants, or other dental work, this is meant to be a game changer. It features 6 pressure modes, delivering 1,400 water pulses per minute, plus a pickpocket tip for gentle delivery of antimicrobial rinses below the gum line. The reservoir holds 35 ounces, giving you about 90 seconds of water capacity without needing a refill, and it's top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Now, the Aquarius Professional model steps things up with enhanced pressure, 10 adjustable settings, and a massage mode to stimulate your gums. It has a built-in timer and pacer that briefly pauses at 30 seconds and 1 minute to help you track flossing time. Its slim, maneuverable handle makes it easier to reach all areas, even those stubborn back teeth. And the reservoir holds 22 ounces for 90 seconds of use without refills. When I put these water flossers to the test in my own routine, I noticed an immediate difference in how clean and refreshed my mouth felt. The Classic Professional felt solid and reliable, strong enough to clean effectively, but gentle on my gums once I adjusted the pressure settings. The Aquarius, on the other hand, offered a more customized experience. The different intensity levels and gum massage feature made it feel almost spa-like, which is a small but nice luxury in everyday oral care. Both were easy to use and integrate into a daily routine, and switching between morning and evening use was straightforward. One minor point, the Aquarius's slimmer reservoir requires slightly more careful handling when refilling, but it's manageable. Pros include effective plaque removal, multiple pressure settings, and easy-to-use designs. Both models are clinically proven and ADA approved, which gives you extra confidence in their effectiveness. The Classic has a larger reservoir, which is convenient for longer flossing sessions, while the Aquarius offers a more tailored experience with its timer, pacer, and massage mode. Cons are relatively minor. Both take up counter space, and the Aquarius's slimmer reservoir means more frequent attention when refilling if you're using larger volumes of water. In terms of value for money, both models are solid investments for oral health. The Classic offers a no-frills, highly effective experience, perfect if you want something straightforward and powerful. The Aquarius is slightly more premium, but the additional features make it worth considering if you value customization and gum stimulation. Compared to other water flossers on the market, these two are at the top in terms of reliability and clinical backing. The build quality of both is excellent. The Classic's larger reservoir and durable materials give it a robust feel, while the Aquarius feels sleek yet sturdy, with a design that will complement most bathroom counters. Longevity should be strong for both, as Waterpik products are known for their durability and performance over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Waterpik also has a solid reputation for customer service, should you ever have questions or need replacements. That adds peace of mind when investing in a daily use device. If you're looking for a slightly lower priced alternative, there are other water flossers on the market that are decent, but you often sacrifice pressure consistency or ADA approval, which are key for truly effective gum care. So what's the final verdict? Both the Classic Professional WP72 and the Aquarius Water Flosser deliver on their promise of cleaner teeth and healthier gums. The Classic is perfect if you want dependable, high-volume flossing, while the Aquarius is ideal if you enjoy a more tailored, feature-rich experience. Either way, incorporating one of these into your daily routine is a smart move for long-term oral health. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used a Waterpik before, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. The link to purchase is in the comments or description box.